Hi everyone. If you don't know who we are just yet, we're Rob and Gabriella. In November of 2021, we bought our 2008 camper trailer and are currently finishing up our renovations to get ready for our moving day. In our previous video, we showed you the paint we chose for the inside of our new home and how just a little bit of paint makes a whole lot of a difference. To catch you up to speed for this video, we faced a good amount of issues with our floorings and countertops. Here's a quick summary.
I was hoping you can help me out with placing a reorder.
Alright, yeah, I'm sorry, what was your name again?
With our luck, it's happening again. We gotta find our countertops. Wish us luck. So yeah, Home Depot lost our flooring and Lowe's didn't have our countertops. This happened all in one day, so it was a little bit rough. Not to mention what else happens with our flooring, but you'll have to stay tuned for that.
Hi friends, I am at the camper and today is the day we get new countertops. So my dad is here and we are going to start taking out the old countertops, cutting the new, installing everything, and hopefully getting it done. We'll see if we get it done today, but we'll at least get somewhere today. So let's go. Okay, so I want to vacuum under the hot water heater because we did a lot of cuts over there and so it's just dirty. So before we put the cabinet back, we need to clean it up a little bit. Okay, here's what we're working with. So we took all this out. You can see how dirty it is. How nasty that is. We took that out. We're draining all the water out because we have to take the sink out. And we don't want water to spill all over. But we need to undrill or unscrew, take out the stove and the sink, and then the countertop. Kind of on it.
Yeah, close enough.
Is it better?
Wait a minute. That's
Okay.
the size here.
Yeah.
Now we're gonna move this kind of out.
The bottom one out.
Yeah,
Push
and
this
then
one in.
push it in to the back side.
Okay. Okay, so we've now measured everything and marked it on the back of the countertops. It's kind of hard to see with the light glaring in here, but you can kind of see. So that way we can make the cuts for the sink and the stove. And we're using kind of the old countertop to mark it because obviously the stove is staying the same and the sink we just had to slightly adjust it. But yeah, we were using that countertop to kind of make our lines, and we're setting up everything to cut our countertop. And no more brown, even though it's brown right now, but underneath it is beauty. So let's go. All right, so we have the countertop in. And we were screwing it, and we screwed most of it in, and we just have to screw just a little bit more of it into the new cabinets. And I got the drawers back. There's not a lot of room underneath, so it's making it really hard to drill or do anything underneath the cabinets. So it made us change a lot of changes to the faucets. Ideally, I wanted to do regular faucet, filter faucet, and a soap dispenser. But with just how everything is, it's a lot easier to just do the regular faucet.
Look, I do it.
What?
Look, I do it.
You got a big guy. What color is that?
Gray.
Gray. Good job. What's your name? Gray. That's my nephew. Is that a great car?
Got dirt in the tires.
Dirt in the tires?
Yeah, dirt in the tires.
How are you gonna be able to drive? You need to go back. Right there. We have our countertops in. So it's a little yellow in here because I have the lights on because it is getting dark outside. But I wanted to show you guys the reveal. Not completely done yet. We still need to put the end caps on. We need to hook up all the plumbing because like it's sitting there but it's not hooked up. Finish one of the cabinets, just touch up everywhere, caulking, all the things that we need to do just to complete it fully. But here are the countertops. That's the countertops. It looks so good. Wow. Look at it. The sink, the brass faucet. Look at the beauty. And now all this extra countertop space that Rob has to cook with. We don't even have this much space in our apartment. I mean, it's like about this much. But wowza, the difference. Look how good. I'm just taking it in. I'm so excited. So, until it is all complete, we need to put the cabinets on. We need to complete the space. Maybe not the backsplash, maybe that'll be later on. But we need to have running water, have a cabinet. So, gotta get all those things, let's go get them. And let's finish this.
Delivery.
What do you got there?
Special package. Don't even need that much.
Wow. Let's open it up. Wow. I'm ready to get to work. Let's go.
It is a very beautiful Sunday. That's it.
Okay, so after all the fiasco of everything with the floors, we are going to finally take the floors out of here, or the flooring that we got out of here, and take it out to the front of our driveway and then cut it all, get it ready, get it laid, get it cut, get it glued, and put the floors down. So we'll have brand new floors to come. What did you want me to use for this tape? Because I forgot we measured extra, so when we're in there we have to cut it anyway. My handwriting should be 3.
Measure the length, make sure you get the 20.
Yeah, make
you
sure
got actually, you never measure the length. Oh no, man. For shame I cut. Never, I only give you 17 feet long.
What?
That's what I said, like.
I ordered 22 feet and I added 10%.
I thought I should measure.
Well, either way, that doesn't matter because we didn't cut that.
Yeah, I'm gonna cut that one goes together, we can't send it back.
We ordered 24 inches in length.
24 feet.
We ordered 24 feet in length for the flooring, and they only gave us about
17.
Just above 17. We didn't realize that until after we had already cut 8 feet in width. So we tried to come up with a game plan to figure out exactly how we would actually size the camper for the flooring. So we figured we'd start at the base of the bed and leave an empty space where we're sitting right now, which is at the back of the camper. But it just doesn't seem like it's working out. We're kind of just feeling a little bit down about, considering the fact that it started with Home Depot not giving us the right size.
started with more than that.
Yeah.
If we glue it, what we currently have down, the plan is to patch up the weird areas that are missing the flooring. The issue is back here. It's just kind of, I just don't think we're satisfied with that.
We don't want to do a halfway job of it. So like right now, there's an empty space back here. There's an empty space in the front, and obviously the bathroom is empty as well. But
I think it's just more of the idea that we're just not satisfied. Like, we just don't want to
wait. So
sad.
it's just
Grateful.
Grateful.
Love everything, but you just have those moments.
Yeah, we'll figure something out. But
I don't like you, Home Depot.
as of right
Yeah,
now,
our cutter floor is too short.
as of right now, this isn't exact. So.
So we had a whoopsie. Rob was gluing down the floors and worked the spatula thingy-mabobber a little too hard. So he got a replacement.
I got this little baby.
A little bit smaller, but it'll do. We're almost done.
In my defense, it was old.
It's a little rusty. The floors are looking good because they've already been looking good. But now it's nice to kind of feel like they're becoming a little bit more permanent. Because before we knew they were laid, we're like, oh, they look good, but we knew we still needed to glue them. And so Rob's been doing that this whole time. He's been gluing basically all the edges. So I'll show you guys what that looks like. So essentially what we are doing is gluing all these edges. And we have a little extra piece over there that is unfortunately whole scenario, but we're just gonna leave it there. All these edges we're gluing. We'll lay the floors down, which you'll see. And once we lay the floors down, we'll try to get like all the bubbles out by just kind of going from the middle and pushing outward. And a lot of times if their flooring is like pushing up against the wall, we'll make a few little cuts just because that's usually what creates the bubbles for us at least. That's pretty much all that there is to it, is gluing, laying flat, and smashing those bubbles out. And not getting glue on yourselves because we've already done that. I don't know if you can see it. Okay, now that Rob, look how you're just taking your shoes off in the background.
Some on it.
He got some glue on his shoe.
Can you actually take one?
Oh, hold please. Okay.
Don't want glue on the floor, eh?
Try not to get glue on your hands and on your shoes because then it gets on everything else.
Do it.
But we're about to roll the floor out and that's it. Let's go. You got that part? There we go. I'm making this look more dramatic. And occasionally, gotta make a couple cuts. Celebrating with burnt cookies.
Burnt cookies.
Let's go. Okay.
Not bad.
Pretty good.
So we just finished the flooring.
We did.
It's all glued in. There are some missing pieces. Like we still have to do the bathroom.
Yeah.
And we still have to plug in, what are they called?
Plug in.
What are they called?
Baseboards?
No, not the baseboards. Well, they have the baseboards, but the little parts that go in between.
Oh, the threshold.
The threshold. I can't remember things.
Yeah, because in the bathroom, obviously we're doing that cut separately from the main flooring just because it's really complicated. So we're gonna have a threshold.
Yeah.
Which basically just hides the line where the two floors
I think they
meet
know
up.
what a threshold is.
Not everyone does.
Yeah. But there's a lot of missing pieces, I guess you can say, little small pieces that make the camper a little bit more incomplete, I guess you can say, than complete. But we're going to be working through those while we're actually moved into the camper itself. But there are a few, and we're excited to see exactly what it's going to look like when it is completed.
Let's move in.
Stick along.